Good morning, boys and girls. We're outside, Kaya and I, doing a number search. Okay. Kaya, what did you find?
Number 1.
Let's find
And number 2. And number 2 is over here. Guys, there's a number 2.
what comes after number 2.
Let us see a number 3.
Kaya's taking us on a search. So we have 1, 2,
3. And
not inside right now. Let's find the numbers.
number 4.
Let's find the numbers, Kaya says. So we have 1, 2, 3. Kaya's catching raindrops on her nose. You get one, Kaya?
And now my hair right in my face.
Yeah. It's okay to get
And now
wet.
number 4.
Okay, we're following.
Here was the number 5.
Come on, Bricks. Jump. Ooh. She says number 5 is over here. Where, Kaya? Where's number 5?
Right here.
Number 5. What comes after 5? What comes after 5? What number?
6.
Where's number 6?
Right here.
Number 6 is
And what
right.
is after number 6?
What's after 6?
7.
I know where 7 is, I think. Huh? Is that number...
7.
Is that number 7?
Yeah.
You can count 7 stingrays. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What comes after 7?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
What number is that? 8.
And now for 8,
You
9.
can count 8 eels.
And now for 8, 9.
Where's 9?
Over here.
Who's inside the house? You're in the house cooking? Cleaning? Okay, we're looking for number...
9.
What comes after 8?
What that mean? What that I'm meaning?
Look where Kaya's standing. What number is that, Kaya?
Number 9. I'm a statue. I can't talk.
She's a statue. What comes after 9? We have one more number.
10.
Do you know where number 10 is?
Right here.
She says it's right there. Is that number 10, Kaya?
I'm a statue.
Can you count all of those seagulls?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10 seagulls. And we're done with our number search.
Bye, friends.
Bye, friends.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day. See you soon.